How good does this Defender look? And the reason for it is specification. This is a 110 Defender SE Explorer with an Explorer pack. The customers opted to put the Explorer pack on the car without the snorkel, but they have added the ladders, which is a big option. Roof rack, extended arches, all the things, storage box, in Eiger grey, bonnet decals, upgraded 20-inch wheels. With it being an SE as well, it's got a sliding panoramic sunroof. It just looks fantastic, and the demand for these cars is increasing, and to buy one with an Explorer pack is difficult, very difficult. And if you go and order one, you're talking 12 months at least. The car is priced on the money to sell, £64,990. It's the 240 brake horsepower, so it's the bigger horsepower car. And it looks well, doesn't it? With the Explorer pack, you get these big extended arches, which makes the car so much wider. 20-inch gloss black, upgraded wheels. You've then got mud flaps, side steps, again, another expensive option. And then you've got all the extras. Roof rack, storage box, spare wheel cover on the back, mud flaps on the back. It looks great, doesn't it? And it's on top of that, when we move on inside, it looks fantastic, but with it being an SE, you've got the better sound system. We've got memory seat, it's all keyless. We've got all the different cameras. We've got the clear sight camera. So it's all about the extras. The car's done 14,000 miles. It's one owner from new. And as you can see, Meridian sound, memory seats, electric seats, keyless start, clear sight view, camera, sliding panoramic roof. It's all about the extras. You can go and buy these cars standard and save money. This car has got the specification. Heated steering wheel, again, extras. The camera system is fantastic. You've got off-road, you've got surround cameras, you've got the 3D option, all the different, look at this, so up to date. Heated seats, all things you would want, cruise control, all the things you would want on a big four-wheel drive. But this one, doesn't it? It looks like a proper Defender with it having that Explorer pack. It makes a huge difference and just makes the car look beefier, bigger, and so much more desirable because there's not many cars available with these extras on. Again, in the back, you've got bags of space. You've got all the different charging points, and it just, you know, the pennies dropped with new model Defenders now. When they first came out, people were a little bit unsure. It was a new product, where now they're on fire. They're so desirable, and that's why the prices are what they are. There's not many of them available, and they're getting bought. Cubed LED lights. This rear tailgate is soft closing. I mentioned the spare wheel cover as well, and you get a massive boot space on a 110. So you've got bags of space all the way through. You can drop them seats if you want to. It's a 110 as well, so it's got adjustable air suspension. Again, adds to the way the car drives and performs. You've got the ladder, which I've got the key. You just put a little key in there and they drop down. Just really quirky, looks really well, and a great option. And you've also got the Matrix LED headlights as well, with it being the SE model. So that car is going for sale today, 64,990, fully loaded. Call us, get it reserved.